Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy with the Styles channel. My name is Mercy. This week guys, I just reached my 5,000 subscribers. For some it's nothing, but you guys know to me it's everything, because all of you, everybody have to start somewhere. But today is my time to celebrate my 5,000, and thank you so much. I would never be able to make it without you guys. Thank you so much for everything. Today, I was invited to a video collaboration hosted by Penny's at Penny's Place and The Grace Life DIY Anna. Guys, this collaboration is for anybody that's celebrating their birthday. The name of the collaboration is The White Affair July Birthday Celebration. And guys, I'm truly honored to be a part of this collaboration. And guys, this particular month, I'm celebrating my daughter. Her birthday is tomorrow. My grandson was July the 1st and my nephew July the 31st. And guys, I'm so excited and I'm partying a lot this month. Okay guys, if you want to see how I do everything, please keep on watching.
I think I'm trying to find my purpose, cause I feel upside down. There's a face in the mirror I think I know. I guess I'm starting to see some things that I never thought I would. There ain't no looking away, you're who you are. Alright, starlight, say what you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come around. Say what you feel, say anything. I'ma hold on till I can't let go. I wanna see a familiar face and a friend to take my hand. Sometimes a little bit lost gets a little bit found. You can lose yourself and your faith will come washing up on shore. And I've been here before, I think I've told you. Alright, starlight, say what you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come around. Say what you feel, say anything. I'ma hold on till I can't let go. Be my fire, take my hand. You wanna stay in the promised land where all the things you want to feel you are. Chase that morning, close your eyes. You wanna wake up where there's no goodbyes, and all your numbered days return to one. So I'll just stop and say what you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come around on your face. Say what you feel, say anything. I'ma hold on till I can't let go.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what do you think if you like it. If you do, don't forget to smash me some thumbs up and share it. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.